Let's learn to play Sk8er Boi by Avril Lavigne on the acoustic guitar in just 3 minutes. Ready, set, go! Before we begin to play, make sure that your acoustic guitar strings are tuned to E standard. This means that your 6 guitar strings should be tuned to the following notes from the 6th string and down. These notes are E, A, D, G, B, and E. Sk8er Boi uses 5 chords in the intro, 5 chords in the verses, 4 chords in the chorus, and 5 chords in the bridge. The intro chords to Sk8er Boi consist of D, A, B minor, B flat, and A. This chord progression is repeated twice before the first verse. The chords for the first and second verse are D, A, B minor, and B flat, which then switches to D, A, B minor, and C. The key is to play the C chord on the lyric Rockin'. The chords for the chorus are F, C, A, B flat, A, and F. These chords will repeat themselves at least 2 times in the chorus. The second chorus repeats itself using the same chords F, C, A, B flat, A, and F again. The chords for the bridge are D minor, F, C, B flat, and A. The chords for the last chorus begin with A, B minor, B flat, D, A, B minor, and C. Now that we know what the chords are, let's briefly discuss the strumming patterns. The BPM for this song is the tempo of 150. This means 150 beats per measure. To listen to this tempo, you can either open up your music DAW if you have one, or type in metronome on Google. Enter the value 150 on the metronome. Then you should be able to listen back to what the tempo of the song is. The verses, choruses, and bridge can all be strummed using the strumming pattern down, down, up, up, down, up. In this case, it would sound... Feel free to mess around with the strumming pattern the more you get used to it. Now let's take a quick second to review everything that we just learned. So in this acoustic guitar tutorial, we learned how to play the song Sk8er Boi by Avril Lavigne. We learned what acoustic guitar chords to play throughout the song, when to play those specific guitar chords, and how to strum the chords on the guitar. And now, I proudly toss the baton to you for learning how to play Sk8er Boi on the acoustic guitar in just 3 minutes. If you found this video helpful, then your feedback is greatly appreciated. Please do the video a huge favor and hit that like button. If you know anyone who might find this video useful, then please do them a huge favor and share this video with them. Thank you for your time in learning how to play Sk8er Boi on the acoustic guitar with Jeffrey Hack Music.